Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI website builder inside Verpex hosting cPanel. This tool lets you create a professional website in just a few clicks, no coding, no design skills required. The AI website builder in Verpex hosting is designed for beginners and busy professionals. You just answer a few questions, and the AI generates a ready-to-use website with content, images, and layout automatically. Once you log into your Verpex hosting account, head over to cPanel. Scroll down and click on the AI website builder to get started. Now it will show options to create a new website, or just click on the Try Site Jet AI shown against your domain. It will open in a new tab with the options to create a website with AI generator, and you can choose from the pre-designed 150+ templates. Instead of picking a pre-made template that I'd have to edit, I'm going to use the AI website builder. Now, let's see it build the entire website for me. The first step is telling the AI what kind of website to build. Look through the list and pick your business's industry. I'm going to choose web development, since it's the perfect match for this site. The final step before the AI works its magic is to name your business. I'm using the domain name as the name. Then, just click Next, and provide a brief description of your business to give the AI the context it needs to build your site. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you do. I'll describe my business as an affiliate marketing website that reviews and recommends key services like web hosting providers, AI tools, and VPNs. The more detail you provide here, the better the AI can tailor the site to your needs. After entering the details, click on Generate. While it took just 1.5 minutes for the AI to generate the entire site with all the visuals and text, I'm going to fast forward now so you don't have to wait to see the final, amazing result. Wow, look at that. The AI has already built a complete, fully functional website for us. I'm genuinely impressed with what it's done in such a short amount of time. Right here at the top, you can see it's created a full navigation bar with all the essential pages: Home, About, Services, FAQ, and Contact. This is a massive time saver, as the AI has already handled the entire sitemap for us. And if we scroll down, you can see it's already using the information we provided earlier. The homepage has a great headline that's perfectly aligned with our business. Discover the best hosting solutions and AI tools. It's also automatically populated an About Us section, which is incredible. It has taken the description we provided and turned it into well-written paragraphs. This is exactly what we wanted. The AI has also created other sections like Services with placeholder content, giving us a perfect foundation to work with. The first thing it's asking us to do is choose a color palette. This is where we can quickly change the entire look and feel of the site. I really like this layout and the colors in option 3, so I'm going to select this one. As you can see, even after picking a main option, you have a ton of control. You can further refine the style by choosing a new color palette and feel from the options down here, like vibrant, bright, cool, or even dark. This lets you easily change the mood of the entire website. For this tutorial, I'm happy with this choice. I'm just going to click Next to move on. Now, we just need to choose a font pairing. The AI gives you a few options that work well together. I'm happy with this first one, so I'm just going to click Next and move on. Now we're at the final step before we can start editing. The AI is asking us to choose which sections we want on our homepage. I'm going to select all of them to get a complete site right from the start. The best part is, you can always go back and easily add or remove these sections later, so there's no pressure to get it perfect right now. With all sections selected, I'll just click Edit Website. And just like that, we're in the live editor. This is where we have full control to make any changes we want to the website. And see, you're in the main editor. From here, you can change anything you want. Just click on any element to edit the text, replace images, or adjust the entire layout. You have full control over the entire website. Now let's take a look at the services page that the AI built for us. This is a really clever feature. The AI has created these sections based on the description we gave it earlier about reviewing web hosting, AI tools, and VPNs. While they are labeled as packages, these are actually perfect spots to link to our content. This is a huge time saver. The AI has already laid out the framework for our reviews, so we don't have to build each of these sections from scratch. All we need to do is link our individual blog posts or review pages directly to these sections. You can see the AI has already generated this section on hosting providers, but if you want to use a different layout, it's really easy to change. I can just replace this with a new section and add my own custom content. This shows you have complete control to edit anything the AI creates. Now, if we scroll down, you can see the AI has even created a team section. It's smart enough to use placeholder images and names, but this is an important section you'll want to personalize. Just like with the other parts of the site, you can simply click on any of these elements to change the image, edit the name, and write your own description for your team members. And if we keep scrolling, you can see the AI has also created dedicated sections for testimonials and FAQs. These are perfect. The AI has already structured these important sections for us with a clean design, saving us a ton of time. Now just click on Publish button after you had edited the website design as per your requirement. Now select the option Create a Restore Point. If you do not like this website, you can switch to the earlier version. Once you're completely happy with your website, the final step is to hit the Publish button. Now, while this process is incredibly fast for a full website deployment, it does take a few minutes for all the files to be uploaded and configured. To save you from watching a blank screen for 5 to 6 minutes, I'm going to fast forward this part. And there it is. The website is officially live and looking fantastic. As you can see, we are in a new browser, and our domain is fully loaded and live on the web. If we scroll through the homepage, everything we created is here and looking great. The header with our website name, the About Us section, and all the other pages like services and blog are all fully functional. The AI did an incredible job of taking our descriptions and turning them into a complete website. In just a matter of minutes, we went from an empty cPanel to a professional, beautiful, and fully functional website. It really is that easy. I encourage you to try out the AI website builder with your Verpex hosting plan and see what you can create. I've got a special deal for you. Click the link in the description, and you'll land on a page just like this, where you'll see a massive 90% off your first month. The basic plan is just 59 cents for the entire first month, which includes the AI website builder. The discount is automatically applied, no promo code needed. Go on, give it a try. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about the AI website builder or Verpex hosting, just leave a comment below.